Hey, Brian from Garage Mahal. We have Screen Mom here and a nice big LED screen that we can work on getting all the streaks and dust and dirt and grime, all that stuff out of it. I have the lighting a little weird. It is so hard to get the right picture frame when you have a entire black screen. It acts like a mirror. So once I start doing this, we're going to try to focus right on the screen so you can see exactly how it works. So this is the 16-ounce kit, and it comes with the larger spray bottle and the spray solution. And obviously we got this because we have such a big area to clean. So we'll take and open that lid. And open the spray bottle in. And we'll make sure we put it onto spray on the nozzle. Alright, we'll get the spray going. And it does come with a microfiber cloth, which is really cool. Alright, so that is your generously sized microfiber cloth. Okay, and what we're going to do, we are actually going to moisten the cloth, and then we're going to actually spray it on the screen itself. And what we're going to do is we're going to start down at this end, and we're going to be very light on it, and we're going to make circular motions and just be very light on the screen itself, just enough to clean it. This is just going to get all the light dirt and grease and grime or anything else that you have in the area off. Let's take a look, and you can still see some wetness on it, so we'll just go over it nice and light, and then we're going to use the drier side, and we're going to be just right amount of pressure. And when I say pressure, I mean it is so light, it's just going to be enough to get any excessive wetness off here. Alright, we'll let that dry real quick, and we'll come back and we'll take a look and see what it looks like. Okay, so what I noticed is it needed a couple touch-ups here and there, almost like a second cleaning, and then very light at the end to kind of like give it like a dry, but try not to use the cloth like entirely dry, just slightly moist. But anyway, this is like the end result, and I mean, you have a nice clean viewing surface again. And on top of that, I noticed that my phone, it completely cleaned my phone to like crystal clear. So use it on your cell phone too. Anyway, Brian from Garage Mahal, Screen Mom.